Hi everyone. In this week's video, I would like to show a video of a lesson that we had in class. We had a cooking lesson in class with the students, and of course it was in English. The kids learned words like peel, cut, wash, fry, and etc. They also practice using the present continuous tense with these action words. We asked them questions like, what are you doing? And they would answer, I am peeling or I'm cutting. We also try to use seasonal fruits and vegetables in our cooking lessons. Kids enjoy doing fun things, and our cooking lesson is one of the activities that most kids enjoy. We believe that kids will learn a foreign language faster if they are having fun. And of course, they love to eat too. So do watch till the end of the video, and it is greatly appreciated if you will subscribe to our channel. So what are we going to cook today? We are going to cook deep fried apple gyoza. Can you repeat? Deep fried apple gyoza. Okay. What's this? Apple. So we need apple. What's this? Lemon. So we need lemons. What's this? Butter. We need butter. And what's this? This is gyoza skin. Gyoza skin. Gyoza skin. Okay. So what we do first, we are going to peel the apple. Peel the apple. Yes, right. Okay, can you say peel the apple? Okay. Then next, we are going to cut the apple, okay, into small pieces. Okay. Clean the table. Akito, can you clean the table? Hanon, clean the table. Slowly. What are you doing?
I am cutting.
What are you doing?
I am cutting.
What are you doing?
I am squeezing lemon.
I'll put the apple inside here. Looks nice.
Okay, you can eat, but be careful. It's hot.
So how is it?
It's delicious.